So guys, today we're going to be playing a game, and I think that we might play for today. You'll see I'm going back quite a bit because it's not new. We're Attack on Titan! Woo! Actually, no. I've played that game before. It gets old fast. You guys won't like that. Actually, if you do want me to play it, just put it in the comment section below. We're going to be playing some Redwood Prison. Woohoo! As you heard me say last time, this one and Prison Life, or I think that's what it's called, I do not believe that their owners are working on it anymore. Let's be a prisoner. Let's see if she has the thing. She does. Yes. Easiest escape I've ever done. Well, it depends if the cops see me or not. Helicopter. Sweet. I'm out of this joint. Ugh. What is wrong with this sound? Ow. It hurts my ears. It's like a got my punch. I think we're probably just gonna jump out here because that's like really annoying. Is that a cop? Yeah, no, that's a cop. Gotta run. Ah, ah, ah. Don't kill me, please. Oh, yes, he hasn't even hit me yet. Alright, let's go over here. Wait, why do I did that? Let's reset. Okay, now let's get some stuff. Where are they at? He jumped. Let's go get him, boys. Let's reload really quick. Got him. I got him. Why is it making this noise? I'm out. No, just no. There you go. Okay, I don't think he knows how to drive. Let's just take this one. Yep, no, this one's fine. Oh, we got a cop right here. So easy. It's just like not even funny how easy this is. Oh, I didn't get a key card. Crap. Gotta get out of here. I gotta go get a key card so then we can try and get, if she's not gone, we can try and get the people in there so we can actually enter like the cops spawn. Oh, those are cops, aren't they? Yeah, no, those are cops. Let's just go down and help. Oh, no, never mind. They're not cops. We need to get a key card. What am I doing? So the key cards are in this brown house, or red house, red and brown house, however you, whatever color it is to you, but it's in that house. So here's the fake ID card. Very terribly made, just a blue line. And they stole my helicopter. Okay. Maybe I'll have to just drive in the car. Oh, there. We have to drive in this car, even though we wanted to fly because it'd be so much quicker. But cars are kind of fast, but we'd have to go all the way around. We wouldn't be able to just go in. They need to make these poles where you can just drive through them and make this to where it's not as tall. Because if you get trapped out here, you're screwed. Unless you go all the way back. And go all the way forward. And I'm stuck again. Okay. Okay, so now I think all the houses you can go inside of, like, literally all of them, but not 100% sure about that, so don't quote me on that. Got a plane, a helicopter that went down there. Alright, so let's go. Oh, they got me. What? Okay guys, well I guess I'll just end the video here. Hope you enjoyed. Have a nice day. Remember to like and subscribe, and